Assalamu alaikum students, hope you all are fine and doing well. Welcome to another video of Teeline Shorthand, lecture number 26. In previous lecture, we have discussed about the words ending NCH. And in this lecture, we will discuss about the reduced outlines, special outlines, distinguished outlines. So students, let's start the lecture. Here is our first word, together. Together. So its outline is T and G. T must be above the line T and G. Next word is different, D, F and T, which is above the line. Different, D, F and T, which is above the line. Students, as you know about the rules of T line, that we should make the outline of just those alphabets which have a strong sound. It's T line shorthand is about the phonetic sound system. And in special outline, reduce outline, distinguish outlines, we just take these reduce outline, special outlines and distinguish outline as a rule. We don't focus on the sound in these words: special outlines, reduce outlines and distinguish outlines. So next word is differ. Here's outline will be D, F and D. And as you know, and I told you in my previous lecture that the difference between the T and D outline is that outline of T is above the line and outline of D is on the line. D, F and D. Next outline is differently. D, F and above the line T, I. For LY we use, students, for LY this is the rule. For LY we use this line. Next, distinguish outlines of his. Of, in my previous lectures I told you that of is above the line. For single word of, we use just this, O above the line, outline of O above the line. Of his outlines O, H and S. Next word is of this, O, T, H, S. Word groupings: with us, with W, U and S. With you, for with you we use the outline of W and U above the line. Well, you can also write this outline on the outline on the line. Next, distinguish outline. Here's the first word is this. For this we use the outline of T, H and S. Next word is these, T, H, S. Students, here you see that outline of E. It is for our convenience that we can use these outlines or not. It's optional. For example, it indicates that E is in this outline, these. So it will be easy for us to understand the outline. Next word, those. T, H, O, S. Next word groupings, in fact. In fact, I, N, F, C, T. Students, here you wait for a while. I don't know why video is blur. Well, in fact, INFCT here. T is on the line. Why T is on the line? Because here, in the word groupings, we join the C and T with F. In favor, INFVR. INFVR. Last time, how we write the outline of last time? LSTIM. Last minute, LSTMN. Each day, above the line E and C, and day, for day we use the outline of D, but above the line. I told you that in Teeline shorthand, some special outlines, distinguished outlines, just take them as a rule. To them, for this word to them, we use the outline of TOTHM. To them. Next, to him, TOHM. All sorts of things, ALSR, ALSRTS. And for things, THINGS, we use this. Next word is hospital. Hospital, HSPITL. HSP, we can write the outline of hospital in two ways: hospital and just HSP. Okay students, in this video we have discussed about the special outlines, distinguished outlines. I hope this lecture will be helpful for you, and in next lecture we will write these outlines. Okay students, take care and do practice.